在紧急情况下寻求帮助的有用短语。
Help. I need help. I need immediate assistance. This is an emergency. Call an ambulance. I need a doctor. I am injured. I am having a heart attack. I can't breathe. I am choking. I am having an allergic reaction. I need the police. I am being attacked. I am lost. I need directions. I need to find a hospital. I need to find a pharmacy. I need to find the nearest police station. I need to find the nearest embassy. I need to find a fire station. I need to find a shelter. I need to find a safe place. I need to find a public phone. I need to find a taxi.